This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the developer mode on your Samsung phone. So we can just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll all the way down until we get to about phone here. So you can see I already have developer options turned on. It's located beneath about phone when you turn it on. So we can tap this, go on down, go to where it says software information. Going down on here and look for build number. So here's build number and tap this like 5 times. And you can see I already have developer mode turned on. So if you tap like 5 times, it will turn on. And then we can go back. And then we can see the developer options down here at the bottom. We can go to this and we can scroll through here and turn on things like stay awake. Screen will never sleep when it's charging if you have it turned on. So if you're watching a movie or something like that, that could be good. And then we can go all the way down through here and there's a lot of different options that add more use and features to your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.